This gets pretty interesting, so yeah.
Alrighty guys, so we're finally moving the old 72 K10. We're gonna get the 6.5 Detroit diesel started on, swap started on this guy. It's gonna be pretty cool. So like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for that one. Honestly, I'm debating whether or not I want to do true twin turbos on the 6.5 once it's in here, but that'll come later on, obviously. I'm also looking for, if you happen to have one, a parts truck to convert this into a crew cab. But again, that's like quite a ways down the line, so just keep it in mind. And that's kind of the direction this is going, so yeah.
Oh, yep, nice.
We're just lining up the ramps and stuff right here. I go around the control arm. I forgot I had the tow hooks up front.
Find it.
It may look like it's rigged sketchy, but it got the job done. Believe it or not, leaving the trailer hooked didn't help at all. Try again. When we unloaded the truck, the trailer came off the hitch and it went forward and took the light out for my license plate thing. But here you'll see we pulled up a little crooked, but it's no big deal. We were able to get her rocked up on there nicely. Start picking up our materials, the chain and the strap that we had to use.
Oh.
This wasn't too bad, but yeah, believe it or not, when we backed that truck off the trailer, the trailer came back up off the hitch again and then started to roll forward. But we had to, when we put it on and took it off, chalk all four wheels on that trailer so that it wouldn't slide anywhere because it was kind of sketchy. Honestly, I feel like the drive is what took the longest with this entire endeavor. But if I had a winch, it would have probably went a lot easier. That or my second truck, honestly, the black one. So we just got to hook back up our safety chains and the brake lights and all that stuff for the trailer. I took the grill out so that we don't lose it on the way or anything, just in case, you know. Rolling a bit of coal there. But overall, it was a pretty successful trip. We got the trucks all parked next to each other and stuff, and no damage done or anything like that. So now, hopefully, we just got to get that 78 dually. That new body style Chevy over there may or may not be the new company vehicle. 5 generations of Chevy trucks after I that 78 Chevy square body dually. Yeah, so you can see I've got the 72, the 99, the OBS, and then the cat eye. It's waiting on the square body and the newer one. So yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this Bowtie Guys builds right now that I got going on. The OBS, the cat eye, the 72, and the crew cab square body. Get ready for Diesel Swap City.